Hello friends, my name is Tonya Maria from RFL Academy Portland. My project name is Speed Car. Today I have made Speed Car from Bluetooth point kit. Today I have used one smart tub, motor and motor tester. Motor tester detect any object, car will start. Motor tester detect any object, car will stop. Let's try with molding. It needs 10 seconds. It needs 8 seconds. Thank you.